Hey guys, it's me Gabriel back again with another video, and today in this video, as you can see in front of me, I have this bag. Lenovo. I guess you could probably know like what I'm gonna be unboxing today, and it's a brand new Lenovo laptop. I think it's called Yoga, the Lenovo Yoga. And I just bought this yesterday at Mid Valley. They were having a sale because it was their 10th anniversary. They had 10% discount and stuff, so we decided to get it. So this is not the actual bag of Lenovo, this is the store's bag. So in this bag that they gave us, it's full of goodies. Like, maybe I'll just put this down and I'll just take it out one by one. The first one was this Lenovo backpack. Yeah. Hope the reflections are not too harsh. Which inside the compartments are really nice, but that's not what we're here for. Then they gave us this Logitech mouse. Yeah, it's wireless. I'm just gonna show you how it works. Well, I don't actually know how it works. I've never had a wireless mouse. But so this is the mouse right here. So you actually have to slide this thing off to gain access to the battery and this thing. So I guess that's why you plug into your computer to like connect the mouse and the computer, but that's not the main point. And then they gave free Microsoft Office 365 personal subscription. Okay, so the box itself is here. I hope you guys can actually like get a view. So mine has a 14-inch screen with 4 GB of RAM, but I have upgraded it to 8 GB of RAM, 256 of internal hard disk storage, an i5 Intel processor. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox this laptop. Okay, so the box, actually we had to open it already because that lady had to upgrade the RAM, so yeah. Okay, this is what I like about boxes. So as you can see, first thing you'll see is your stylus. As you know, this is a Lenovo Yoga, which means it's flexible, it's touchscreen, and you've got a stylus. Set that aside. Let's see what else is here. So in this is looks like some kind of Minecraft hat. Oh my goodness, and there it is, the laptop itself. I'm gonna be really careful, I don't want to scratch or drop this beautiful thing, but there it is. Okay, so since we've got the laptop out, another of this thing, we're gonna set the laptop aside and continue to check out what's in the box. So over here you've got some wonderful literature that no one actually reads, except I might have to read it because I'm not used to a laptop and how to get around with it. Maybe if it was a new phone I wouldn't have to read, but yeah. So, piece of papers. I don't really know how to use Windows 10, the new one, so okay, you've got this charger, but this is not the full thing, that's like another piece here. This is the Lenovo charger, like that, and that's all in the box. So the box is just a plain box. Okay, so now let's first check out the stylus. As you can see, so the lady at the store, she said that the stylus is a 4A battery, which is, I think it might be hard to find because I don't have any 4A batteries personally, but yeah. So this is the stylus. Sorry if you guys can't see my face because this video is really cropped in. So there is the stylus for the laptop. And then they also give this tool where I think it latches onto the laptop and it will like let you like place the stylus together with the laptop. I don't know how it works, but you'll have to see. Okay, so here is the laptop itself, the main attraction. So I'm gonna just not peel off, just like take it off. So like I said, this is a Lenovo Yoga. That means, as you can see up here, it says Yoga. And this is silver. That was black, but I wasn't like, at first I was like, oh my god, I want the black. But when I actually saw it in person, the black didn't seem that nice, so I just got silver. And it looks identical to a MacBook. So this one has like a heavy duty hinge, so you can turn it 360, turn it into a tablet, a tent, and yeah. It's pretty light, weighing at 1.6 kg, 14-inch screen, running Windows 10, Intel Core i5, 8 Gen. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, I think I'm gonna need this to just like whoa, there it is. So it comes like that with this piece of cloth inside. So I'm just gonna take that away. So this is the Lenovo Yoga 530. Let me just take a look personally. I am super excited, oh my gosh. So this laptop has touch screen functionality, so meaning like you can draw on it with the stylus that came in the box. So I'm not gonna go through a lot of specs. Oh, bless me. I'm not gonna go through a lot of specs because literally I don't even know. But I'm gonna go through the key specs, like the. Okay, so with this laptop, I don't know whether I'm gonna on it because I don't know whether it has the battery. But let me just show you what a Yoga can do. I mean a Lenovo Yoga. So basically you could like, yeah, you could do that to your laptop. So this is what they call tablet mode. So this is the back and this is the front. So you're gonna mostly be using it like that as a tablet, and like you can like take your stylus and like you can like draw on it, which I've tested it out at the store. The stylus is super sensitive and functional. It's also pressure sensitive, so it's like you're doing hand lettering or coloring, you just do light, it'll come out light. If you press down a bit, it'll come out like a darker or yeah, a darker color. So this is tablet mode. Then there's this thing called tent mode, which is you just basically put it like that, and it could actually stand like this. So this is for like video watching. If you want like a mini, I mean it's not really that mini, if you want an iPad experience, this is what you're gonna get. Like, you know, if you're watching movies, you don't want to see the, you don't want to have an impression that you have like a keyboard in front of you. And also I've like tried at the store like drawing like this. If you tilt it a bit more, if like I'm sitting in a comfortable position like I am now, drawing on this type of like layout is actually really cool. But this sofa is a bit higher than the table, so maybe I'm gonna try drawing on my dining table sometime, or the study table. But yeah, it's really nice. And then this computer, you can't detach the screen from the keyboard because it does not work that way. So in terms of keyboard, like that, let me just open it. So as you can see, it has a fingerprint sensor here. Then the keyboard is this really nice aluminium metal look that's like streaked down. As you can see, Intel Core i5 8th Gen, Lenovo Yoga 530. Oh, where is that thing? Okay, it fell down. So I'm gonna just like check out real quick how that tool like you like put the tool on the computer for the stylus. So I'm thinking okay, so I've just figured it out. You have to put this tool in the USB port and you can put the stylus. Just let me show you real quick. So as you can see, I accidentally turned it on in the process of putting the tool. Okay, so as you can see here, you put it in this one. It says SS and then it has a battery thing, but it's not the charger. So you put it in there and then you can put your stylus in just like that. So it's really cool and functional in terms of like everyday use. If like you're an artist and you really want to draw. So this stylus, I haven't put in the battery yet, so I won't be able to like test it and stuff. But since I've accidentally turned it on the laptop, let's just take a look. The keyboard is backlit LED and the screen is a 14-inch high resolution FHD screen. It's glossy because it has to be touchscreen. And then if you turn it this way, there we go. It's a full-on tablet. So this computer, whoa, you could actually like do it vertically like that. I never knew. It has a camera. Okay, Paint 3D. So the software automatically comes with this app called Paint 3D, whereby you can like use the stylus and like you can draw stuff. I'm just trying it myself, so yeah, so basically it's like that. But since my stylus has no battery in it, it's not working. But I'll try like another stylus, see whether it will work. Obviously it's not going to be as responsive, but it's worth a try. This stylus does sure work, but you have to like tap it really hard and it's not pressure sensitive with this stylus. So as you can see, like that. Okay, let's try something else. So you can like press this. So as you can see, it's not opening because it's the stylus is the one that like does the whole operation thing. So yeah. Okay, so let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so everything is done. Oh my gosh, I love this computer. It's literally touchscreen. And it also has a Wacom interface like integrated in this laptop. So any Lenovo laptop actually. So if you want to use a Wacom bamboo pad, like I know my friend Sarah, she loves drawing pad tablets. This computer works with tablet. So I like this design, it's really sleek. I guess I'll be sticking an Apple sticker here to make it look like a MacBook. But for now, I'm not gonna do anything because it's just so beautiful. And also I have to get used to like this new it's not new, but all the computers that I've been using is, what do you call it, Windows 7 Professional. This is Windows 10, so I'm gonna have to get used to it. Let me just install Google really quick. Yeah, it's running really smoothly. Okay, so right now I don't have anything else to say, so might as well I just end my video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it, tell your friends to watch my channel, and of course don't ever forget to subscribe. So if you would like more technology videos, which I'm really bad at doing, please leave it in the comments. I'll try and make one in the future, but I'll definitely make it better. So yeah. Okay. Thank you guys.